10 lies about the universe you've believed your whole life. For as long as humans have looked up at the night sky, we've filled the darkness with stories, beliefs, and assumptions about how the universe works. Some of these ideas were passed down for centuries. Others were invented by Hollywood, and a few are simply misunderstandings that never got corrected. But today, we separate fact from fiction because space is far stranger, far bigger, and far more beautiful than the myths we once believed. The sun is yellow. Most of us imagine the sun as a blazing yellow ball of fire, but step outside Earth's atmosphere and you'll realize the sun is actually white. It only appears yellow from the ground because Earth's atmosphere scatters blue light, tinting the sunlight that reaches our eyes. In reality, the sun emits every color of visible light combined, creating pure white. The asteroid belt is a dangerous minefield. Movies love dramatic scenes, spaceships dodging thousands of fast-moving rocks. But in truth, the asteroid belt is almost completely empty. The average distance between large asteroids, nearly 1 million kilometers. A spacecraft traveling through the belt would almost certainly see nothing at all. The Big Bang was a giant explosion. Many imagine the Big Bang as a cosmic bomb going off in empty space. But there was no empty space. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion. It was space expanding itself, everywhere, all at once, from a tiny, unbelievably hot, unbelievably dense state. It wasn't things flying outward into space. It was space stretching, carrying everything with it. The universe is infinite. We often hear phrases like infinite space or endless cosmos. But according to modern cosmology, the universe is vast, mind-breakingly vast, but not infinite. The observable universe stretches about 47 billion light-years in every direction. Beyond that, space may continue, curve, or loop back on itself, but infinite? We simply don't have evidence for that. The sun is a giant fireball. Fire needs oxygen. The sun has none. Instead, the sun shines by nuclear fusion. Hydrogen atoms fuse into helium deep in its core, releasing massive amounts of energy, far steadier than any chemical fire could ever burn. The sun isn't on fire, it's a nuclear engine. Stars twinkle. From here on Earth, stars appear to shimmer and flicker, but that's not them, it's us. Earth's atmosphere bends and distorts starlight before it reaches our eyes, causing the twinkling effect. Viewed from space, stars shine with perfect, steady brilliance. There is no gravity in space. People often say astronauts float because there's no gravity, but gravity is everywhere. Planets orbit stars. Moons orbit planets. Galaxies cluster and collide, all thanks to gravity. Astronauts float simply because they're in constant free fall around Earth. Microgravity, not zero gravity. The moon has a dark side. There's no permanent dark side of the moon. Both sides receive sunlight. The far side just never faces Earth because the moon is tidally locked, rotating at the same rate that it orbits our planet. So one side is forever hidden from us, but not from the sun. Space is completely empty. Space is mostly empty, yes, but not totally. Between stars and galaxies exists a thin soup of particles, photons, cosmic rays, dust, and magnetic fields. Just a few atoms per cubic centimeter, but still something. Even the emptiest regions of the universe are not absolute vacuums. Light isn't affected by gravity. Einstein proved that gravity can bend light itself. This is why distant galaxies appear warped and magnified through a process called gravitational lensing. Space curves around massive objects, and light follows that curve. Gravity doesn't just shape planets and stars. It shapes the path of light, too. The universe is filled with wonders, but also with misunderstandings that drift through our culture. As we explore deeper and learn more, science continuously replaces old myths with astonishing truths. Because reality, true cosmic reality, is far more fascinating than anything we could have imagined. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more space mysteries, cosmic stories, and mind-bending explanations.